What about the thing underneath it behind it as well?
Oh, I have a plant back here, yes. Sorry about that.
Anything in the box?
No, it's empty.
Might have to look.
Police arrive at a Target after loss prevention notices a woman using a large, unpurchased gray storage bin that she's placed in her cart to hide numerous unpaid items inside. She's still inside Target and has not stolen any items yet, but this raises questions on if she's broken any laws. This puts police and loss prevention, who are waiting outside, into a disagreement on how to handle her.
They're still in?
Yeah, they're still inside. He wants to know if you'll move your car so that when they come outside, I think we're just going to go in. I mean, at this point.
They're actively trying to conceal.
I'm not good with that.
If they're actively trying to conceal, that's 82 all day long. They're actively trying to conceal.
Our boss and like our target guidelines, we unfortunately can't have y'all just go in there and grab them up. They have to bypass for us.
So they're actively trying to conceal something that is a crime.
Yeah, but for Target, they want them to, because we.
So you want us to wait for them to come outside?
Yeah, so I can tell you, like, I'm not, I will work with you guys, but I'm not hiding my car and then having to chase somebody. Like, that's not what I'm going to do. Like,
we don't, that's not how we roll.
Yeah, they're putting it into a storage bin that's like our storage bin, or they haven't purchased yet. Okay. So they could still buy it.
Sure.
But the odds are, statistically, so what do these jokers look like?
Two, maybe mid-30s. Pink top and pink bottom is the younger one, and then yellow top is one of the adults.
82 Charlie by Charlie.
Top for the other one with the baseball cap.
Bright colors, bright pink.
Bright pink is the younger.
Moments later, loss prevention stops the first of the two suspects with a cart full of half-paid items.
Her bedding and stuff.
Okay, well, we can talk about this in a minute.
So where's the other one? Where's the other one?
I think yellow right here is one.
Thinking she has the green light, her sister hops behind a self-checkout register and pays for a few items. Only seconds later, officers are shocked to see what she's about to try.
No. So and they were bringing the stuff up together.
She was gonna run. I like that you shaved your head again.
I've been shaving my head.
Bro, no, you didn't. You gotta fade this, boy. You gotta fade it. Let me do it for you. I'll come to your house and yellow one's involved. They got one girl who's already with loss prevention now. They stopped her, but yellow one's involved. One of the Bravo Foxtrots that walked out, put some stuff up there. She only paid for one thing. She knew she got caught. This one was part of them too. The one in the yellow was part of them. Check.
No, I'm sorry. You can keep it. Cause I already.
What about the thing underneath it behind it as well?
Oh, I have a plant back here, yes. Sorry about that. Thank you.
Anything in the box?
No, it's empty.
Might have to look. That is not empty.
Oh.
Come on. Tried to walk out with that.
Yeah, got me. Damn, we got caught. FBI.
God dang.
Look at that.
It's full.
Is it full?
Oh yeah, it's full. Look at that.
Bro, what the?
Moving.
Come on.
Wait.
No.
I pay for these though. Can I?
Oh yeah, no, that's gonna sit there. That's gonna sit there.
Can I get my phone?
No, you can wait.
Why not? Alrighty.
Go ahead and sit right there. She trying to walk out with a whole bin of clothes.
I paid for both of them.
So you paid for all.
Who?
Who's the third
Oh, she got a bunch of stuff. Like she returned. She dropped a bunch of stuff off. She's like, I can't afford this. She's like, I can't afford this. She walked out with one black box. So your friend's gonna be waiting on y'all for a while.
Oh.
Well,
all right.
You're going to jail. So
I'm going to jail?
yeah.
Okay.
Where you from?
I'm not from here.
All right. So where are you from?
Georgia.
Okay. What's your name? How many kids you got?
Just one.
Just one?
Yeah.
They gonna miss their mama tonight when you in jail?
Nah, I'm gonna get out tomorrow.
I don't think so. If it's fell in your mouth.
I was like, no, it ain't. Let's go.
But wait, when you open it, it's a lot of cars in there, so you probably got to go. No, I don't.
Oh my gosh.
I'm moving.
Y'all got this. We're gonna go and handle that other call.
Yeah. Oh my.
I appreciate you guys.
So you realize if it's over $750, it's a felony.
Really?
And you
Yeah.
won't see a judge until tomorrow morning.
All right.
What's your name? Okay, so you stay in Georgia, but you got a Florida driver's license?
Oh, yeah.
No, I got a Georgia driver's license.
Bro, it's right here.
That's invalid. I don't use that.
Okay, where's your Georgia one? Right here? Why do you have two? Why do you have two?
I don't know. I just have two.
Okay.
I always have had two.
You want to add her?
When I moved from Vegas,
Run her all the way.
Florida,
I'll run
then I had
around
it.
Jacksonville too.
I don't have nothing. I've never been in trouble with the law. This is my first time getting in trouble.
Damn, you got a felony too, man. Come on, man. So what's the story with yours? You got food, and then you had some random, like, the bedding and the towels and stuff? Like, what? So you'll probably go to jail for, did you tally up that dollar amount yet?
Not yet. They're calculating it outside right now.
Okay. If it's below $750, you go on a misdemeanor.
Yeah,
And you'll be able to
probably
post bond.
go to misdemeanor. You'll be alright.
Where's your other sister?
Out there with the. It's probably where she at.
Oh, man.
So you said this is your first time? You never gone to another Target and stole from there before?
No.
No?
And to justify her actions, she explains her specific reasons for stealing.
I'm not really a thief, you know. I just didn't want to pay my rent. I want to make that clear. I don't just steal for a living, you know. Hey, put my $40 in my purse so that way when I get out, I can,
Is that with or without tax?
they gonna take my motherfucking $40. Put it towards the bond.
Okay. And that's for the tote?
I paid for the tote. I actually paid for that.
So you paid for the tote that held the stolen merchandise?
No, I won't call it back. Cause, I mean, if I'm getting in trouble, like, at least I would play around, man. If I'm getting in trouble, don't make me all say. I'm not gonna be one of them people that's in the mug shop looking ugly.
You ever been to jail?
Yeah. Juvie, not jail.
That's not
Was it
jail.
for theft?
No, it wasn't actually. It was for beating out my boyfriend.
Oh, Lord, have mercy.
Yeah.
I would have made it be him.
Yeah.
I gotta ask, did you go to Sandalwoods?
No, I didn't go to Sandalwood.
Where you live right
My people, they live by it, but I didn't go there. No, I ended up going to like 5 different high schools.
Okay, because
Yeah.
I used to live nearby there too.
Yeah.
Like, I seen your Florida license.
Yeah, yeah.
My high school, I'm like, yeah.
Yeah, you went to Sandalwood?
I did.
You did? You had Bostic, Dr. Bostic? Was he there by then?
I graduated 2014.
Oh, shit, he definitely wasn't there then. Y'all probably was in the same class. Shit.
But I was the oldest one in there. I was 20 years old.
Damn.
Yeah.
So she's gonna go under. She's gonna go on under. We took that under.
Wait, can you get my
Yeah, pink.
What about the green?
She's going on felony.
No?
I'm gonna take them both.
Okay.
Can you just grab the receipts? Shoot me a picture of it. Hey, you want them trespass?
Yes. 1 year.
Y'all can't come back for a year.
That's fine.
So go ahead and stand up for me.
Sure.
No, not you. Sit down.
Sorry.
You gotta stay with the Georgia. You gotta go somewhere else and steal.
No, I don't have to steal wherever I go. I just don't
Why
have
do you
to.
steal?
Because I'm moving. Didn't I just tell you? I already gave them the whole rundown.
Hands together like you're praying. So go ahead and sit.
23 what?
That's cool though. That's fine.
That's fine. She's cool with the felony.
No, I'm not cool with felony at all. Not on my record, especially with me.
Nassau County is too.
But you know, like I gotta be fine with it, you know, because I paid the price. That's what it is.
She's cool with the felony like she
No, I'm not. I'm not cool with it. I don't want
Stand
to
up.
feel like
You get her 27.
Jeez, okay.
Yeah, it's on the back of your phone, right? Your ID or your EBT. I'll get it
No,
from you.
that's my idea.
I'm gonna give you a purse. You're gonna carry your purse out. You understand?
Okay.
I didn't say turn back around.
Okay, but I mean,
All right, now you turn around.
My car's still out
All
there?
right, now we're gonna go this way. Woo.
wait. Them my phones. You can put them in
You're
here.
about to get them.
Okay. Thank you.
You can put my phone in her bag.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So how I'm gonna hold the purse and walk out at the same time?
Get up off me. You too damn big.
It ain't my fault. You about skinnier than me. Shit.
Property when they're in jail?
Huh?
That's a return.
We know we ain't gonna get the property in
Tell them
jail.
to put it on a Target gift card.
You want us to return
It's a better.
They already looking at me. What I'm gonna do? I'm in cuffs. Like
Can you do it on a gift card?
like a thief. I'm not a thief. I swear to God, y'all,
Yeah,
my rent
let's
was
get
due.
to the
Look at the Jeopardy man.
I swear to God, my rent was due. I was not being that. Word to my daddy. It's okay, baby. I'm gonna get you some more. I'm not gonna steal it though. I swear to God. I'm serious. What's up, Papa?
He don't want to talk to you.
He was looking at me like he did.
Yeah, cause you're a whole ass clown. Go the right. Go the right. Go the right. Go the
My car
right.
is right there at the Beetle.
All right, stand right there. No.
Oh, right here?
Yep.
So they return that stuff and they're giving you a gift card.
For real?
Yeah, they're gonna give you a gift.
Shit, I will.
But don't be coming back here.
Oh, wait, they're gonna give me the gift card for the stuff I
Slider.
bought.
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Go all the way across.
Gotcha.
Yeah, slide all the way through.
All right, slide in.
Fat, I swear. I tried to drop some pounds, but it ain't my fault. Hey, just don't drive this deal like a nasty.
I need to get their phone numbers for the 42. I need the other one's name. Hold on. How do you pronounce your first name?
I got it.
What's your name?
Tamaya. Your motherfucker be bald headed.
I'm like, who's that? I don't know her. Wait, my hand grown.
What's her name?
With the tally totaled, officers deliver whether this is a misdemeanor or a felony.
It's like $780 something, but they wanted to take the taxes off. I said, I don't think it matters.
Run it.
Like, yeah,
Right,
like
give me the taxes.
It's not like if you going in or you getting tax free. Like,
Yeah. Let state attorneys figure that problem out. You know? Let me go see. Let me go ask her if they're done. They should be done. Okay. All right. Do y'all get the receipts yet?
They're still bringing.
What time did they enter? What time did they enter the store?
I'll have to double check the cameras, but let me go back in there.
All right. This is one of their stuff.
Sasha's like, oh, what'd you have for lunch? Roxanne said, oh, Chipotle. They're both. Oh, we had the same thing.
I let y'all
Do I have the steak or the bowl?
Listen, hold on.
I got the bowl.
All right. They almost know the receipt, so hold on. All right. These are receipts.
This is the total receipt for
The yellow.
the tote. Yeah.
Yeah, for the tote. And then what's this one?
This is the stuff she paid for, not on that receipt. So
Okay.
We're still working on pinks right now.
Dang, she tried to.
3:25 p.m.
Okay. 325.
And then exit time. I mean, you guys have that 4:11.
All right. 325.
Do you need anything else?
The gift card for that thing.
Yeah, they're making it right now.
Okay.
So yeah, that was the other thing because it was like one of the purchases they made was over $200.
Yeah.
And so the only concern is like, are they going to show out because it's $200 on the gift card as opposed to back to their debit card?
Was it on a debit card? Did they purchase with a debit card?
There's one receipt. There's EBT. That's a separate transaction. But then there's one where they paid partial cash and then partial debit card. No, it was all debit card.
Gift card. That's it. Throw it on
It's
a gift
fine.
card. Yeah.
Okay.
That way they can go with them to evidence. That way they don't have to take all this stuff with them.
Okay, got you. I just wanted to get clarification on that because I didn't want it to become
Which one's this one?
a problem
The stuff
later.
she paid for?
This is the stuff she paid
Okay. All right. Let me go give this to. Let me go give this to the deputy outside. I'll be right back for the other one. This is yellows.
Yellows?
Yeah, they're working on hers right now.
I don't understand, why are you, they're actively concealing. Why can we not run in there and snatch them up?
Past point of sale.
But they're actively concealing. You know what I'm saying?
But it doesn't mean that they ain't gonna go to the point of sale and pay for it.
Right.
Doesn't mean they aren't.
Right.
You have to give benefit of the doubt.
There ain't no benefit of that.
But when I grabbed that tote and you kept walking, I knew there was something in it.
I got snatched up, girl. As soon as you get that other one, let me know.
Yeah, I'll be right back. They're finishing up right now, and then they're going to give her the gift card for the stuff she bought. Right back. Can we get the footage? Are you doing the footage?
Yeah, I'm down on that right now.
Perfect.
What all you need? We have
Just them entering and then concealing. Yeah, whatever you're doing. Yeah.
Both women are charged with theft, with the one in the pink taking under $750 and the one in the yellow taking $788.43. Under Florida Statute 812.014, grand theft is a third-degree felony with up to 5 years in prison and a $5,000 fine. All suspects are innocent until proven guilty in the court of law. As always, let me know your honest thoughts on this case, and I'll see you in the next video.